name is Lord, please step forward. So, for our attainers, of course, our honorable presiding officer, Francis Watt, Honorable Dato Ugaseswa, Barangay Kapikon, Honorable Dato Muhammad Yasin, Siswa, Barangay Kamutaka, Honorable Roy Aydorok, Siswa, Kamutaka also, Honorable Teodoro Tibundit, Barangay Awang, Honorable Dato Rasmudi Siswa, Poblacion, Honorable Norodin M. Abbas, Barangay Makir, Honorable Surabin Lumanga of Sipunto, Honorable Intrapul Kampung of Barangay Lapungan, Honorable Singsit Rosario of Barangay Bumpong, and the last Honorable Baiting M. Abbas of Barangay Makir. For the chief lead, Honorable Rahib Biculano, Barangay Mantos, si Anggang Gayon may under municipal water. So, with 11 members present, including the presiding officer, certified the president of the court.
Upon certification made by the secretary, I hereby declare the presence of quorum. What our first agenda for today, Mr. Secretary?
The first agenda for today's regular session, Mr. Chair, is the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session held on December 10, 2005.
Honorable Chair, may I be recognized?
You are recognized, Honorable Sudin Yuseson.
Mr. Chair, I respectfully move dispense with the reading of the previous minutes, the last session, December 10, 2025, since a copy of the said minutes is readily available for review.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Sinswat is hereby approved. Moving forward, what is the next item, Mr. Secretary? The floor is your Honorable Sheikh Rosali.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good afternoon to each and everyone. I would like to present the committee report number 2026-01, Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation. This pertains to the referral made to the Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriations regarding the annual performance budget of the 10 barangays of Datudin Sinswat, Maguindano del Norte for review and usual approval. The committee conduct a committee meeting attended by the local finance committee, namely Ramadi Ahmad, Municipal Budget Officer, Attorney Zuzmita Ala, Municipal Accountant, one of the staff, Zaira E. Ala, Municipal Treasurer, Engineer Dato Raymond L. Rusam, OIC Municipal Planning and Development Coordinator, and Abdul Rahman Amil, Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan, held on the day of 12th day of January 2026 at SB Session Hall, Anak Mindanao Building, Municipal Compound, Poblacion del Candato, Sinswat, Maguindano del Norte, at exactly 1:30 in the afternoon. Section 333 of Republic Act number 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, empowers the Local Finance Committee or LFC to review the budget of barangays to ensure compliance with budgetary requirements and general limitations. 10 sangguniang barangays, namely, first, Poblacion Dalican, second, Binulin, third, Baguingad, fourth, Dadus, 5, Kakar, 6, Sapalan, and 7, Tinungos, 8, Labungan, 9, Mungad, and 10, Tambak, have all submitted its annual budget for fiscal year 2026. During the committee meeting, the following mandatory budgetary obligations were found to be in substantial compliance. First, allocation of the 10% for Den Sangguniang Kabataan SK Fund. Second, allocation of at least 20% for the Development Fund. Third, allocation of at least 5% for the Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Fund. Fourth, allocation of at least 1% for Senior Citizens Fund. 5. Allocation of at least 1% for Persons with Disability or PWD Fund. 6. Allocation of at least 1% for the Barangay Council for the Protection of Children or BCPC Fund. Number 7. Appropriation for personal services which does not exceed for the 45% limitation by law. Upon checking, the Local Finance Committee or LFC also found out that the Barangay Annual Investment Program or BAIP and budget are not aligned with the risk-informed comprehensive development plan, preferably by not using the Annex D Annual Investment Program form template that considers climate change adaptation and mitigation or CCAM expenditure with corresponding climate change typology code. The Local Finance Committee or LFC hereby provide recommendations for the improvement of all barangay annual investment plans to be submitted for review. Use the standard template of the Annual Invest Program or AIP summary form that considers climate change adaptation and mitigation expenditures. Second, allocate funds for the proposed workshop seminar on the formulation of the new Bangsamoro Barangay Development Plan or BBDP. Third, have the remaining 24 barangays urgently submit their annual plan and budget for the review of the committee before the end of January to provide ample time for plan realignment. The committee strongly recommends the immediate approval of the proposed resolutions, entitled a resolution approving the annual performance budget of the 10 barangays of Dato Udin Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte. In behalf of the Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation, thank you very much to our SB Secretary who assisted and facilitated our committee during the said committee meeting. To all the Sangguniang Bayan members for your moral support, most especially to our very supportive presiding officer, Honorable Bagsfield Sinsuat. Thank you. Masalamat.
Shukran, Honorable Sheikh Rizali. Mr. Secretary, what is the next one?
Honorable Chair, mayroon tayong referral of finances. May I read A.1 an ordinance of rising municipality this one to issue barangay clearance and correct corresponding barangay clearance fee the application for any business-related transaction subject to the remittance of the aforesaid fees to barangay and implementations and other. That is A.1. Another proposed ordinance, Honorable Chair, A.2, an ordinance regulating smoking in public places, public conveyances, requiring the regulation of smoking and non-smoking areas in enclosed places open to the general public and for other purposes the municipality will have to do whatever location. A.3, another proposed ordinance, an ordinance regulating the sale, serving and consumption of intoxicating liquor, prohibiting public drinking in specified places, prescribing hours of sale, and providing penalty therefore in the municipality of that province in Suat. Another proposed ordinance A.4, an ordinance regulating the establishment, operation, and maintenance of beach resorts, swimming pools, and other public swimming or bathing places, requiring safety measures including certified lifeguard, rescue equipment, and staff training, relating sanitary compliance, and providing penalties therefore the municipality of that province. Another proposal, Honorable Chair, A.5, an ordinance regulating the establishment, licensing, operation, and conduct of cockfighting, sabong, and cockpits in the municipality of Dato del Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte, providing for licensing of cockpit personnel, prescribing allowable days and places of cockfights, prohibiting gambling other than authorized cockpit baiting, providing penalties and enforcement mechanism. Another one, 8.6, an ordinance regulating the operation of tricycles for hire in the municipality of Dato del Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte, providing for franchising or MTOP, road rationalization, identification through color coding, and takers number coding window, scheme and enforcement, and penalties. Another one, 8.7, an ordinance regulating the use and operation of motorcycles with open fine, cut out or modified exhaust system, prohibiting the operation of motorcycle without a properly functioning muffler or in a manner that produces unnecessary or disagreeable noise, smoke, or odor, prescribing enforcement measure and penalties and for other purposes in the municipality of Dato del Last, Honorable Chair, 8.8, an ordinance regulating the parking of vehicles, prohibiting obstruction and authorizing traffic management measures, including mobilization, wheel clamping, and towing in designated areas along national roads and barangay municipal roads within the municipality of Dato del Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte, providing administrative remedies and penalties. That's all the proposal financial.
Mr. Secretary, please refer to the appropriate committees.
It's very noted para for the reminding committee. May I read, Honorable Chair, 8.1 ordinance namin refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs, the Committee on Ways and Means, Committee on Revision of Laws, Rules, Justice, and Human Rights. For 8.2, refer to the Committee on Health and Sanitation and Barangay Agriculture, Revision Laws and Rules. For 8.3, refer to the Committee on Health, Sanitation, and Barangay Affairs and Revision of Laws and Rules. Ordinance 8.4, refer to the Committee on Tourism and Barangay Affairs, Revision of Laws and Rules. Yung mga beaches on the 8.5, refer to the Committee on Ways and Means, Division of Laws, Rules, Justice, and Human Rights. 8.6, refer to the Committee on Transportation and Traffic Management. Pati yung 8.7, and revision of rules and revision of laws, rules, and justice. Then for 8.8, refer to the Committee on Transportation and Waste. Parang ito yung magkakasama ng mga chair na
Moving forward, what is the next item, Mr. Secretary?
So, para naman ito sa mga message and other communication na receive ng ating opisina, mayroon tayong dalawa, Honorable Chair. D.1, endorsement letter received on January 8, 2026 from the Office of the Mayor requesting legislative action in memorandum of agreement to enter between the municipality and the Ministry of Social Services and Development. So, lastly, the Committee letter received on January 12, 2026 from Barangay Sibuto, Dato del Sinsuat requesting legislative action for the request of Blitzview Learning Center to obtain school identification number at the Ministry of Basic Higher and Educational certification, so itong aling po ito, Committee on Auto Certification, is ito yung sa aling association. Honorable Chair.
Next item, Mr. Secretary.
So another one, wala pa tayo po para Chair sa mga activities sa Poladay, starting day, sa mother, and then we'll
Is there anything else, Mr. Secretary?
So, Honorable Chair, ang okay na lahat yun, only under other matters yung announcement. So, we have number one, meron tayong other matters in the report for the respective action pertaining to a construction of road at barangay Kapitulato, Pilipinas, Maguindanao, Norte. So, hindi namin yung Honorable Sophia, committee on this particular matter. So, yung printing road.
Yung sa request na pa, yung request na solution sa completing na roads sa Kapitol, kailangan nila sila yung solution. Reso. Request yung sa taas ng reso. Solution yata yung
Resolution construction, completing of road, barangay Kapitol at Susuan. The amount of 10 million pesos.
parang
Rising ba?
actually approve na yung project, pero dahil sa naging issue sa DPWH, and then kasi pagong administration, kailangan nila yung reso na yung sa road right na dadaanan is wala pang magiging problema doon. Kaya nag-usap kami kanina ni Juan, sabi ko, maganda doon puntaan mo na yung area kasi baka mamaya gagawa tayo ng reso and then may problema yung area, kakaroon tayo ng problema sa paggawa ng resolution. Inspection muna siguro.
Fund ng ano yun, national government.
Yes,
Pass
Mr. Chair.
sa 2027.
Yes, you recognize the tumultuous.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Regarding po sa itong West na Road sa Barangay Kapitol, actually sa Barangay Kapitol may dapat nung last year may lalabas ko na operating dyan pro by default. By doso ng bula so niya pa flood control niya o actually September 18 yata yun may meetings kanin so doso niya mag-flood control niya dahil kaya i-repeat nila uli yun so namba operating na sa Kapitol request na siya kung saki by default.
Very good. Ibig sabihin hindi ka kasi kwan. Check muna natin yun.
Anto makapamagpuntol, alam mo yun. Actually, maglabas yan kasi nandyan na yan. Alam mo yun, anto makapamagpuntol.
Para may kapito niya sa upper.
Sa may Fidel, sa may di ko ng Fidel, at saka sa
yun yata naging problema nung dato, yung kwan, Kasi dahil sa may naging issue yata doon, kaya humingi sila ng reso galing sa SP. Kasi check muna siguro kasi kailangan yata doon walang complainant sa dadanan sa road. So, yung road right. Parang yun ang doon, yung road right lang yata nagiging problema. Yun ang sabi nung nasa taas. Sabi ko, hindi kami makapigil muna ng lesson kung hindi namin ma-inspect. Kasi sabi ko, kung magbigay kami ng lesson na may problema doon sa area, hindi namin, kasi kung in-applyan niya sabi ko, hindi pa kami yan. Yung application natin, dinapan sa kami ko. O last one.
Ako po, Sir Chair, Barangay Road yan.
Barangay Road, papasok.
So, bilang lumabas niya, issue sa flood control.
No, yun, doon na stop.
Kahit yung mga director ngayon na panambyan. Ang nag-request sa area Banamba, Mr. Chair, so time ko sa APRO, sa infra ko, ang request kay Paging Paul.
Wala siguro. Okay. Pigilan na ito, okay? Tingnan muna natin. Ate kayo, tingnan muna natin kung ano yung magiging kuha natin dito. Okay, kakusapin ko muna yung nasa taas kung ano ba yung kailangan nila. Yung naman, basta yung ang kailangan daw sabi nila, basta yung declaration ng area, yung dadaanan na walang magiging problema bago nila papadsetan yun. Actually, nandyan na yung kuha.
Bago i-release.
Oo.
Yung budget niya, attorney, nandyan na yan. 2025 pa nila.
Oo. Tingnan na natin at next item, Mr. Secretary.
Okay. Finally, the presiding officer conducted inspection ng area. Wala po. So, second, for other matters, announcement, mandatory submission of statement of asset liabilities and net worth, Salem pa, on or before last week of February 26. Yung HRM office, yan ang nagbukas ng proportion na kailangan lang yung elected official, kaya sabihin sa lady sa Salem. Kaya yun ang substitute. Kailangan na before last week of February. Isa na sana mo yung Salem tayo. Okay? So, yung mga number 2, number 3 around, of course, next session inshallah, na unting on 21, same venue, same time, unless may iwan sa design. So far, Honorable Chair, yung mga other matters na
Yes, you recognize Honorable Surab Commander.
Remove that release on the adjourned.
Second emotion. Kala ko meron.
It has been moved and duly seconded. The third negotiation is hereby adjourned at
2:47.
2:47 until the next session.